I want to keep on top of maintenance, but I don't know how often to check for repairs around my home. Any ideas? Greg, Spokane, Washington.
Staying on top of maintenance is one of the best ways to extend the life of your home and avoid costly repairs down the line. A little routine inspection can go a long way. If you want a general rule, you should do a full inspection of your mobile home at least once a year, ideally when the weather is mild. But there are areas that you should check more often, such as your plumbing for leaks under sinks and around toilets, skirting to make sure it's secure and intact, especially after storms, doors and windows for drafts or seal damage, and smoke and carbon monoxide detectors to ensure they're working properly. Every 6 months, check on your roof and gutters for signs of wear, leaks, or buildup, the HVAC system to clean or replace filters, and listen for strange noises, underbelly insulation, and vapor barrier for sagging or damage, and your anchoring system, especially if your area has experienced high winds. Annually, you should do a full walk-around and walk-through of your home. Look for cracks in walls, ceilings, or around window frames. Inspect the foundation or piers to ensure stability. Test all appliances for proper function and look for any frayed cords or wiring issues. One more thing, check all of these areas after severe weather. Storms, high winds, and deep freezes can cause damage that might not be immediately obvious.